welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the SKECHERS tic-tac run, which is actually very requested and it's also a very popular dance. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. By the way, this is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's go. So, the very first thing we're going to do is put our hands like this, and then we're just going to twist, twist. So our right elbow is going to look forward, and then we're going to go back, forward, back. Once again, forward, back. And then your head goes up. So this is going to be fast. Just keep it in mind. It's going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3. And now just practice it, and that's it. So 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to go 1, 2. So it's a big wave. So to do this, we're going to do a step backwards with our left leg, and then our hands start from here, and then do a giant circle like that. So from here, it's going to look like this, right? And then we're just going to look to the ceiling, not like this because it's just going to look weird, but to the ceiling like over here, right? Like that. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, like that. So after these are 3 jumps that you just have to practice it a little bit, and that's it, you'll remember it. So we jump, legs are apart, then we're gonna touch our foot like this, and then we're gonna go 2. So we're gonna put our hands on our knee, on our leg, and it's bent, it goes up. So it's gonna look like this from the side, like that. So it's 1, 2, 3. And at the normal speed, it's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3. So just practice it a little bit, and that's it. So let's start from the very beginning. 1, 2, up, wave, jump, jump, jump. So after these 3 jumps, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do the same thing we did before, like that. So the same wave, we're gonna do the same way as we did it before, like that. And then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Pretend we have money here and we're just spreading it, or you can pretend it is whatever you want it to be. So 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to whoa, and we're gonna do 1, 2. So let's start from the very beginning, and then I'm gonna show you how to do this. So let's go. 1, 2, head. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, wave. 1, 2, 3, whoa, and 2. So we're just gonna do a normal whoa, right? And then we're gonna move to the right. And while we are moving to the right, we're gonna do a circle with our hands like this. Then we're gonna put our hands over here like that, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So once again, from the whoa, whoa, circle, and 2. So after this, what we're gonna do is dive. So we actually have 4 movements left. So as you can see, this dance is actually very easy. So we're gonna dive. Our head goes under our hands like that, and then we're gonna go 1. So to do this, our right leg goes to the side, and then it goes in like that. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And then our hands also go to the side like that. 1, 2. And let's start from the very beginning, and we're almost done. So let's go. 1, 2, head. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, wave. 1, 2, 3, whoa, circle, and 2, dive, 2. And then after this, we're gonna go 1, 2. So to do this, that's actually the last movement. We're gonna do a step to the right with our right leg. Our hand goes like this, just a circle. And then we're going to go 2, like that. So for our right hand, it's like this. We're gonna step, then we're gonna do a circle and 2, like that. And we are done. So let's start from the very beginning once, and that's it. So let's go. 1, 2, head, wave, jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, wave. 1, 2, 3, whoa, circle, and 2, dive. 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment down below what dances you want me to do next. Follow me on TikTok, and I hope to see you soon.